Looking for the best garage door opener to make your home more secure and convenient? This video covers the top 5 best garage door opener options that stand out for quality, performance, and reliability. Whether you need a quiet system for daily use or a durable model built to last, these choices are designed to upgrade your garage experience. Stay tuned to explore which garage door opener fits your needs perfectly and ensures smooth operation every time you use it. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Genie StealthDrive Garage Door Opener. The Genie StealthDrive Connect Model 7155 smartphone-controlled belt-drive garage door opener is designed to bring convenience and reliability to any home. Built with durable plastic material and finished in black and white, it blends well with different garage spaces. The compact design with a length of 19.4 inches, a width of 5 inches, and a height of 5 inches makes it suitable for standard residential garages. With its advanced smart integration, this garage door opener works seamlessly with Amazon Key in garage delivery, making package security more dependable. Through the Aladdin Connect technology, this system allows homeowners to monitor, control, and close the garage door from any location using a smartphone. The motor is paired with a steel reinforced belt that ensures quiet and efficient movement, making it an excellent choice for garages near bedrooms or living spaces. In addition, the included battery backup provides uninterrupted performance even during a power outage, helping to keep daily access consistent and worry-free. The Genie StealthDrive Connect Model 7155 supports residential sectional garage doors up to 7 feet high and can be extended with a compatible kit for taller doors. The installation process is straightforward thanks to the 5-piece rail system that connects easily, supported by 3-dimensional interactive instructions for step-by-step guidance. With app alerts, virtual key sharing, compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, and multiple included accessories such as remotes, wall console, and wireless keypad, this smart garage door opener enhances both safety and convenience for modern homes. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chamberlain Quiet Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain B2405 Quiet Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener with wireless keypad is designed to bring smart control and peace of mind to any home. Built with a reliable belt drive system and a smooth operating motor, it delivers dependable lifting power while maintaining a calm atmosphere in spaces connected to the garage. The design of this unit makes it an ideal choice for families who value quiet performance combined with advanced technology that enhances daily convenience and overall security. With integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this model offers seamless connection to the MIC application, making it possible to manage and monitor the garage door from virtually any location. The technology allows homeowners to stay connected and receive updates in real time, ensuring full awareness of garage access. In addition, its strong encryption system enhances safety, giving homeowners added confidence that their property remains well protected. This Chamberlain garage door opener supports standard aluminum doors with consistent lift capacity and has been developed with a focus on long-term durability. It is designed to work with additional MIC devices and smart home solutions, making it versatile and adaptable for future needs. The system is also built with improved memory for supporting newer updates, ensuring it remains compatible with evolving smart features. With space for lighting using 2 100-watt bulbs, it not only manages the door effectively, but also provides essential illumination. The Chamberlain B2405 offers a dependable balance of modern technology, strength, and reliability for everyday garage use. In our list, the number 3 product name is Genie Chain Drive 500 Garage Door Opener. The Genie Chain Drive 500 Garage Door Opener Model 1035 is designed to deliver dependable performance with a traditional chain drive system that remains consistent over time. Made from durable plastic and finished in black, this opener blends strength with practical design. Measuring 30 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 10 inches in height, it is sized for residential garage use while maintaining a compact build that fits well into most setups. Its straightforward design makes it a reliable choice for daily use while offering long-lasting operation. Equipped with a direct current motor, this unit ensures steady power that requires little maintenance while working with a reinforced chain drive. The installation process is simplified with a 5-piece rail system that connects easily, allowing homeowners to set up the opener without added effort. Safety is also built into the system through the self-diagnostic safe T-beam technology, which uses an invisible beam of light across the garage entrance to reverse the door if movement is detected. This Genie model comes with essential accessories including a pre-programmed single-button remote, a wall control with lighting option, and the integrated safe T-beam system. It is also designed for compatibility with HomeLink and Car2U systems, offering seamless integration without additional equipment. With its quiet yet strong operation, it provides smooth performance that supports household convenience while ensuring protection. The Genie Chain Drive 500 garage door opener brings together durability, safety, and easy operation for modern families. In our list, the number 4 product name is Chamberlain Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain RJ0101MC ultra-quiet wall-mounted garage door opener with battery backup and LED lighting is built to provide modern homeowners with dependable performance and space-saving design. Finished in black and weighing just over 15 kilograms, it is compact and practical with a length of 28 inches, a width of 11.94 inches, and a height of 10 inches. By mounting directly on the wall, it eliminates the need for overhead equipment, creating more space while also reducing noise and vibration for a quieter living environment. Equipped with integrated Wi-Fi, this model allows users to connect with the MIC application and manage the garage door from any location using a smartphone. This smart connectivity ensures full monitoring and control even when away from home. The unit also comes with a built-in battery backup, allowing continuous access in and out of the garage during unexpected power outages, which adds an extra level of convenience and security for families. Lighting is another strong point of this system, as it features a smart LED solution that can be expanded with up to 8 pods for full coverage of the garage area. This makes it easier to navigate the space with clear illumination. Included components such as the motion-sensing wall control, operator, remote, and backup battery bring together technology and practicality in one complete package. The Chamberlain RJ0101MC delivers quiet operation, strong reliability, and modern connectivity in a space-efficient design that enhances garage functionality. In our list, the number 5 product name is Chamberlain MYQ Smart Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain B4603TM YQ Smart Garage Door Opener with ultra-quiet belt drive and 3/4 horsepower motor is designed to bring a smooth and reliable experience to any home. Built with modern technology and durable construction, this model offers long-lasting use while maintaining a calm atmosphere in spaces close to the garage. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for residential setups where quiet performance and dependable lifting strength are equally important. Equipped with integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the system connects easily to the MYQ application, allowing homeowners to monitor and manage garage access directly from a smartphone. This connection provides updates in real time, making it simple to stay informed about door activity whether at home or away. Improved memory also ensures that the opener remains compatible with newer features and solutions as technology continues to advance. A powerful direct current motor with soft start and stop operation makes daily use smoother while reducing noise. In addition, the advanced LED lighting brightens high-traffic areas of the garage with up to 1,000 lumens, and motion activation ensures lighting is ready whenever needed. The Chamberlain B4603T has been developed with long-term convenience in mind, supporting a variety of smart home systems and additional MYQ devices. Its thoughtful design enhances safety, functionality, and ease of use for busy households. With consistent performance and seamless smart integration, this garage door opener is built to keep daily routines efficient while offering modern reliability. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.